Revealed during the inaugural COMBATERRE defense gathering on April 4, 2025, at Camp de Souge in Gironde, the French Army's new PROTEUS counter-drone system marks a significant step forward in responding to low-altitude aerial threats. The event, organized by the Command for Future Combat, CCF, and led by General Pierre Schill, Chief of Staff of the French Army, brought together around 1,000 participants, including military leaders, defense industry experts, and engineering students, to shape the military's roadmap for 2027 and 2040. At the heart of this strategic forum was PROTEUS, a rapidly developed and modular system that addresses the increasing dangers posed by drones and other unmanned aerial systems. Designed in just 4 months by the Army's Technical Section, STAT, in collaboration with the Ministry of Defense's Artificial Intelligence Agency, UNveiled, the system creatively modernizes the vintage 20mm AA-53T2 anti-aircraft cannon. Originally a product of the 1970s, the cannon has been outfitted with advanced features including a Sandra thermal camera and AI-assisted fire control software. The version on display, PROTEUS Standard 1, was first introduced publicly through a French Army video on January 23, 2025. It boasts a firing capability of 700 rounds per minute and is effective against low-flying drones up to 1.5 kilometers away. With a design that leans heavily on existing military assets, PROTEUS provides a budget-conscious alternative to more expensive missile systems, incorporating laser targeting and user-friendly digital interfaces to enhance accuracy and usability. The initial batch of Standard 1 systems was assigned to the 35th Parachute Artillery Regiment earlier in 2025. Meanwhile, development is already underway on Standard 2, which will feature AI-enhanced predictive targeting. This evolution aims to calculate optimal moments for engagement based on real-time drone trajectory analysis. To support this next phase, the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA, is facilitating the industrial rollout of upgraded kits featuring advanced optics, next-gen processors, and improved control systems. The first deliveries are scheduled within 3 months, with full-scale production aiming for 50 units by late 2026. Future iterations of PROTEUS will move away from older TRM-2000 truck platforms, instead leveraging Scania's new Vampire 4x4 vehicles, air-transportable, high-powered platforms that support a variety of weapon modules, including the Mistral-ready Pamela system. This mobility upgrade ensures rapid deployment and greater adaptability in dynamic operational theaters. The 17th Artillery Group, headquartered in Biscarrosse, plays a critical role in validating and training for PROTEUS and other anti-drone technologies. Through its National Evaluation and Training Center for All-Arms Anti-Aircraft Warfare, the unit tests new systems and designs innovative drone targets using tools like 3D printing, ensuring realistic exercises for troops preparing to counter aerial threats. PROTEUS is a cornerstone of France's broader strategy to strengthen its ground-based air defense, spearheaded by the Task Force LAD since 2024. This initiative focuses on modular innovation, adaptive reuse of legacy systems, and the seamless integration of AI and advanced technologies. Eventually, PROTEUS could be deployed across multiple vehicle platforms, including the versatile Scorpion fleet, and linked into France's broader battlefield information network. This new counter-drone system stands as a testament to the French Army's ability to convert legacy weapons into state-of-the-art defenses in record time. A collaborative effort involving STAT, UNveiled, DGA, SMMT, and various defense partners, PROTEUS reflects a pragmatic, forward-thinking response to the modern drone threat landscape. With full deployment already in progress and potential for international interest, it may soon set a new benchmark for short-range air defense systems worldwide.